Now we're gonna add the ears and the trunk to the elephant, to our elephant. Rochi, you take the piece of black clay and you just make a circle out of it. It will be easier to make a circle, to make a ball, and then to squeeze it, to make it flat, like make a little dish out of it, a little, yes, not too big. Okay, that's fine, that's great. Now put it on one side, yeah, a little bit back, yeah, and just, yes, very good. Now the other ear, another bowl. Elephant has big ears, you can see. Put it on the other side. That's good. Just with your hand, smear it like that so it will stick better, won't fall. And now we're going to make the trunk. Don't make it too, you're going to make a little snake. Don't make it too thin, because a thin nose won't stay on the face. It would just go down. Okay, that's fine. And again, yeah, very good. Just with your fingers, go around. You can see.